Affection is a physical expression of feelings that can strengthen relationships and reduce stress. Making physical affection a habit, like holding hands or scheduling cuddle time, can promote bonding and overall well-being. Including physical touch in your health goals can lead to positive outcomes, such as lower blood pressure and reduced stress. Writing down and practicing different ways of showing affection, such as giving massages or verbal affirmations, can help strengthen emotional connections. In long-distance relationships, verbal affection becomes even more important to maintain closeness and strengthen bonds. Remember to compliment your loved ones daily to boost self-esteem and show care. Some people may be uncomfortable with touch due to various reasons, but it's important to address and communicate these feelings with your partner.